everybody, it's Clem.
And Alfred.
We are at Stadium High School in Tacoma. We just finished doing stairs. I think Alfred was running back and forth on the...
Did a little bit of sprint work, some 200s, 10 200-yard dashes, and ran for 10 minutes, steady state.
Yes. We had a great time. We do this on the weekends to relax and also get workouts in. It's a great way to clear your mind, to be outside and get the fresh air.
In a beautiful setting right next to the water.
Yes, sunshine too. So this week we're setting intentions on Sundays. So you saw a post that went out this morning around 8 a.m. Set your intentions, what you're going to do, even if it's a small thing, right? It could be like drink water all week instead of drinking soda.
Soda pop.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be big. It could be like every time I feel stressed out, take 10 deep breaths.
Right. Or for every cup of coffee I drink, I'll drink 2 cups of water.
Yes, to balance it out. That's a great idea. Okay, so Sundays we set intentions. Monday you'll get a video of a workout challenge. What we want you to do on a regular basis, or every day actually, is do at least 30 minutes of something active. Be active somehow. So it could be a walk, it could be, gardening, cleaning, vacuuming, something where you're up and down, side to side, walking here and there.
Playing with the dog, playing with the kids.
Yes.
Something.
So that's your minimum. Just do something every day, 30 minutes a day. Now, we believe that for you to be consistent, and we know that's the problem with most people, is consistency. For us too, right? We're all human. Consistency is a daily challenge. But for you to be consistent is that you have to see regular progress, little wins, small victories. So we have every week on Monday, we'll post an exercise that you can challenge yourself from Monday to Monday or Monday to Sunday when it's time to check back in with how well you made progress. If you decide that you want to do sprints like Alfred does and you time it, and you're 1 second faster than the last week, that's perfect. Or the day before, perfect. So it doesn't have to be a big progress or big win, just has to be progress, and it'll motivate you to want to do more.
Correct.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then Wednesdays we have food swaps.
Food swap, something like, again, water instead of pop.
Yes. It could be, egg white omelet instead of Kellogg's Frosted Flakes.
Or even water instead of orange juice. Believe it or not, there's a ton of, every cup of orange juice has 110 grams, or 110 calories, 120 calories, I'm sorry. So if you were looking to get that vitamin C, you can get that with a lot less calories in an emergency pack, which we give to our 91-year-old aunt.
Yeah, we do. Okay, so, and then on Thursdays we do oh shoot, we forgot Tuesdays. We skipped right past Tuesdays. Tuesdays we do trainer talks. So we'll post some trainer knowledge, wisdom, something that you can use to help you build your ability and your knowledge base towards a healthy mindset, healthy fitness. And I think this week we're going to do intermittent fasting, just talk about that a little bit to give you an idea of how it works and what you can do to implement that into your life if you choose so. But we're going to introduce different methods, different lifestyles to you, and it's your job to experiment, try them out, see what works best for you, because not all works for everybody. Like, I am vegan a lot of times, and Alfred is, carnivore all the time. So it's up to you which lifestyles, but we're going to introduce them to you all so that you can try them out and build, from there.
And between the two of us, we've tried a lot.
We've tried a lot of stuff.
I did vegan for 18 months. Weekends, I do more of a keto style eating. During the week, I do clean eating / flexible dieting / if it fits in my macros. So.
And I like carb cycling. I like still having donuts And I do lower calories during the week, and I do intermittent fasting.
And it works for her.
Yeah.
So we're going to give you a variety of different things to try. You figure out what works best for you. Again, this is a lifestyle change. It's not a quick fix.
And it doesn't have to be the same lifestyle. We don't have to have the same.
No, same house doesn't mean we all have to be on intermittent fasting, ketos, carb cycling. Whatever works best for you and your schedule, it works best for you.
Yes. All right. And then we've covered Wednesday swaps, and then Thursday is our Thursday thoughts, our manifest mindset thinking. We'll do those on Thursday, so join us. I'll do those live with our Manifest Miracles mantra cards. If you did not send me your address, make sure you send it to me so I can deliver that to you in the mail. But more of what is holding you back, what's keeping you from moving forward. And we think it's outside forces, like my kids, my husband, he's not on board and he doesn't support me, or I have no time, I don't have any money, all that great stuff. But really 95% of what's keeping us from seeing results and getting what we want out of life is right in here. Our mindset, how we think, our perspective, the way we look at life and we see challenges and issues. It's our outlook on the world. So if we can start retraining, rewiring the mind, filling up the spirit, seeing everything as glass full instead of empty.
Half full instead of half empty.
Yeah. Rosy, through rosy glass lens tinted glasses instead of, dark and gloomy, then we'll accomplish more. So then last but not least is weekend worry free.
Gotta love that.
Yes, because you know what? It's hard to lose weight, have a loving relationship with your spouse, have success financially and abundance in all areas of your life when we are sad, stressed, right?
Yeah.
Full of anxiousness and anxiety, worry.
I have a client who he gets a huge amount of food once a week, and to track it, we found actually stresses him out. So it's better for him just to eat intuitively once a week, so that he feels more relaxed. And that's okay. If you could keep those cortisol levels down, you're going to see much, much better results. And intuitively, he eats just about what he needs to eat anyway, so it works.
And having a child, biblically, children are closer to God. And I'm finding through my work with my own energy healer and my own life coach is we have to spend time being childlike every week or daily. Alfred laughs all the time. And I think it was inappropriate before, you shouldn't laugh at that. That's not right. But he's less stressed than most people.
There's good and bad and everything.
Yeah.
Really good, laugh at it, move on.
Yeah, so find laughter, go run through the sprinklers, do something that makes you feel closer to your original settings, your original spirit, the original you that you were meant to be. And we're closest to who we are when we're children, without the baggage, without the worries, without the bills, without the anxieties or the, what do people think about me, all that stuff. So worry-free weekends. We'll post things that we do, like being here and enjoying the sunshine at Stadium High School. So that's it. That's what you expect every week in the Badass Manifestors group. We'll see you soon. Please make sure you post your intentions, your goals, and your victories every Sunday.